Let's take a quick look at Shopify on the daily and weekly charts. Well, zoom out and you can see that we're finding resistance from prior resistance back here in November of 2021. So no coincidence there, right? If that was a prior high, we just basically retested it for resistance and we sold off pretty significantly, significantly enough to break this bullish trend line. So it shows loss of strength by the bulls. They were not able to maintain the angle of ascent. We broke it with a strong slice right through that level. Let me go and make this white. So we broke it with a strong slice through that level. And then we back test that trend line for resistance, tag any unfilled orders, and then sell off lower. So still looks like it's bearish, right? It's still below a bearish trend line. We broke the bullish trend line. We just hit a strong resistance point, 176. So overall, there's a good chance that this can lead to at least a significant decline. Let's take a look at a measure move target, one leg up right here, second leg up. Basically, two large measure move targets, two large legs up can lead to a large decline, right? We already have one leg up right here, second leg up, basically met the target at the prior all-time high, breaking the bullish trend line. All this is a bearish pattern, right? Patterns don't always repeat and they don't always play out as expected, but as right now, it's a bearish pattern and it's not a good sign on the chart, right? You don't want to see price get rejected from a prior historical high and then break the bullish momentum. So overall, expecting lower prices. It looks likely to probably come back to the 127 level. There's a gap fill and a breakout attempt, breakout retest it can get to. So overall, expecting a decline. And even if you do a measure move target, which is the downside, one leg down right here, second leg down, this will target right around 124, 125. So that's probably when we'll see a significant bounce. Until then, you might see some micro bounces. But overall, the trend is bearish until proven otherwise. And it looks like a potential trend reversal is in play as of right now. Invalidation would be a resumption of the trend, a nice higher high and a higher low. But until then, this is looking bearish. I would not adjust the trend line like this. I think it's broken. We hit the prior all-time high. We reached the measure target. We're looking for lower prices. I think this trend looks pretty much done for right now. Just like here, we had a run up from about 2019. You can see that we had a run up from this 2019 starting point, January, up until about November of 2021. Correction, September of 2022, and then September of 2025, 3 years later, and then probably a decline. So that's what it looks like it's doing, right? It's not a type of stock as of right now looking like it's just going to continue like this as of right now. It can, but I don't think it will. So all I have for Shopify on the daily and weekly charts. Basically, short term looks bearish, long term looks like a potential trend reversal. Invalidation would be at least a break of this bearish trend line and getting back above probably the 150s, 156, and then we'll go from there. This is Vee Trades. Thank you for your time.